Do you want to know how you can change your name in Otter AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name in Otter AI. Go ahead and open Otter AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on your profile, which you can see on the left hand side. Click on Account Settings, and then under the General you can see your profile. Go ahead and click Edit and you can see your full name. To edit it, just click on the edit icon or just click on the box. Go ahead and remove the name of your choice, and then you can write down the name which you desire. After you write down your name, go ahead and click on this tick button and then press Done. You can see that your name has now been changed. Now to change it again, go ahead and go to your profile, go to Account Settings, and under General there is Profile. Click Edit and click on your full name, remove it and write down the name of your choice. After you're done, click on the tick button over here and then click Done. After doing this, your name will be successfully changed. I hope this video about how you can change your name on Otter AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.